UPS alarms signal important issues that need attention to protect your equipment. These alarms typically indicate load overloads or battery problems. A load alarm, shown by rapid beeping or LCD display, means you're drawing more power than the UPS can handle. This overload can damage the unit. A replace battery alarm, common after 3 to 5 years of use, indicates low battery voltage. The battery may no longer provide adequate backup power. Most UPS units have a mute button for temporary silence, lasting 30 to 60 minutes. This provides short-term relief, but doesn't solve the underlying problem. Ignoring alarms can lead to data loss and hardware damage. Address issues promptly to protect your equipment. Always disconnect from power mains before maintenance and follow safety precautions to avoid hazards. Begin by checking the total wattage of connected devices against the UPS rating to resolve load issues. Upgrade or redistribute the load if necessary. For battery alarms, test the battery with a multimeter. A reading below 12.5 volts typically signals replacement is needed. To reset a UPS, unplug it, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds, and reconnect it. Some models, like APC Smart UPS, offer resets via apps like PowerChute, but this is only after addressing the underlying issue. Remember that resetting clears error codes but does not fix hardware problems. If persistent alarms continue, consider professional inspection or replacement. By 2030, AI-driven UPS will automate many of these tasks, but understanding these basics remains crucial.